All right guys, we're here at Discount Tire. We got the Forgeline wheels, we have the Falken tires. We're gonna go ahead and get them mounted so we could throw them on the NSX. All right, let's go. Yeah, thank you, Buck. Brick, Buck.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Here, I'll throw them in there for you. Okay guys, we're back from Discount Tire and we're gonna go ahead and install the wheels. We're gonna do one side and then lower it and see how it turns out. So I'm excited and we're gonna go from there. Alright guys, it's one of those times where I wish everything in life was like Amazon Prime. Free returns on everything. But unfortunately, it's not like that. And our tire wheel package that we got, that we put together, didn't work out. And you know what, looking back, I know where I messed up at. You know, I saw these wheels online and they were on a red NSX and it looked great. But the one factor that I didn't take into account is that it was lowered just a little bit. Since the NSX is already lowered and I scrape already coming out of the driveway, I thought that it wouldn't have that much of an impact. But when we installed it, it just didn't look right. I wasn't feeling it. I really honestly think that the original wheels on there look great and look way better than this. So we just knew it wasn't the right decision. But at the end of the day, we love our cars. We love the community. I want to thank the NSX community out there. They were very supportive. They were like, hey man, sorry that happened. You could still lower it. They were giving me advice and options. So that was very cool of them. But you know, we're just going to move on. Well, we have big things for both cars, for the NSX and the Supra. So I invite you to hit the like button and I welcome you to subscribe and stay tuned, and you guys stay safe out there and we'll see you later.